Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Julie, J Auto Trading Strategies, taking a look pre-market at crude. It's Wednesday, April 22nd, 6:23 Central Time. That's in the AM. And I have a disclaimer to show, um, and we'll get right to it. Overnight, we had an API report coming out showing a build of 5.5 million barrels that sent prices down. This is on top of the Saudi Arabia Yemen airstrikes ending. And also, we had the head trader of Vitol coming out saying that the Q2 refineries will be coming offline for maintenance. So that's going to create another build even higher in crude, which is going to keep prices depressed. So I doubt seriously now that we're going to see an overhead breakout. We were looking at a possibility for that happening, but the standard deviation line on my yearly VWAP kept prices in check, and we weren't able to clear this area. We're going to come back to test the area of the breakout today back at 55, and that'll erase that $3 premium that occurred over a 1 or 2 day period from the rollover of the May to the June contract. So after we get big, we have our stochastics also coming down, and price is rolling over back into a towards the middle of this value area. Sorry. So I want to show you on my weekly VWAP that the algos are really tied to these VWAP levels, and you'll see this previous week's VWAP extends forward and exactly where price found it and bounced. So that's why I trade to these VWAP levels. And I use these air pockets to guide. So this air pocket's going to get filled in today. Most likely, I don't know if it'll probably come back down here too and find some support at this distribution band or deviation band here. Here's the bottom of the previous week's value area, this first deviation band. So that's going to be a likely target too, 54.25. So I trade to my previous weeks, months, days VWAP levels, as well as my air pockets and other levels for initial balance and their standard deviations. But we have stochastics coming back through 80 here. So this is going to set us up for the big push down. We've got the lower high on my momentum. So I'm keeping an eye on that. If this momentum gets back up here, then I'm not going to be so sure about this sell-off today. But I want to see the lower high on momentum that will propel prices downward. As you see that, and you see this, and then you take my Q for the trade is this inflection here and this KD cross right here. That's my trade entry. So that's what I look for on my momentum indicators. And so I'm going to be waiting for K to come down a little bit further and cross underneath this level here. So I want my next KD cross to be below this area. So I'm looking for it to occur down here. So there we go. That's better. So that's what I want to see to kick off my downturn. If we get a sideways, if this momentum comes up here and the the momentum is more like this, we're going to have a sideways grind for a while. And there's nothing we can do, and it's just going to chop inside this value node. And so I'll be looking at my standard deviation levels to guide me on where to trade to. So I'm hoping for a downward move, not a sideways move. And it all depends on where my D is going today. So today is D day, and I'm watching. I can't get this to move. Here we go. I want to see this stay like this. So that's what I do. I'm Julie at J Auto Trading Strategies, and I'm waiting for my signals. Thank you so much.